Welcome back to my Dollarwise mini budgeting course. In this video, we'll add accounts and transactions to the app, along with categorizing them. Pretty much you can't do anything without having a bank account connected, but it is easy and secure to do. When you connect your account, it'll automatically import all of your transactions. If you go to the third tab down here, the activity tab, on this tab you can see all of your transactions. If you scroll down, they'll just keep loading and keep loading. Don't get overwhelmed though. At the top, there's a button called Review. Dollarwise will give you a group of transactions to review, but it will never be too many all at once, which is really nice. I've got 20 it wants me to review. When I tap it, it gives me 3 options for reviewing. Swipe left, down, or right. Swiping left puts it into the wants group. Swiping right puts it into the needs group. And swiping down puts it into the savings group. On top of that, each transaction has a category listed on the lower right. It makes a guess as to which category this fits into, but it's up to you to either confirm it's correct or change it. Here it shows Spectrum under utilities and bills, which is correct because that's our internet bill. I consider that a need, so I am going to swipe right. These next 2 transactions are for camping. I consider those wants. They do not fit under shopping though. So again, we're gonna change this to travel, swipe left. If you aren't sure about one, you can actually skip it by tapping skip at the bottom. Now let's go through and categorize the rest of these transactions. Once you get through all of those transactions, you can either review more, like this says review 12 more, or you can tap done. Personally, I recommend reviewing 2 to 3 months of transactions to give the app a really good feel for your normal spending. The more transactions you review, the better. So if you can do 6 to 9 months, that's the best. But I realize that might be overwhelming. We'll come back to this in a future video. Also, one thing to note here is that you can add manual transactions just by going up here to new transaction. Let's say Walmart for $50. This is an expense. We'll say that this is a need and we'll fit it into groceries. And we'll say that this is a cash transaction. Save transaction. Perfect. Now it is in our transactions. This is a perfect feature if you don't only use a card. For now, that's all you need to know about accounts and transactions. In the next video, we're going to add income and take a look at insights.